Hi, my name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Hi. My name is Elsa. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Elsa?
I'm from England. Where are you from?
I'm from France. How old are you?
I'm 25 years of age. And you?
I'm 32 years old. What do you do, Elsa?
I'm a computer engineer. What do you do?
I'm an accountant.
How long have you been working in this company?
I've been working here for 10 years.
Jack, how many brothers or sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. What about you, Lisa?
I'm an only child. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents. And you?
I live alone.
Lisa, are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm single. And you?
I'm married.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
How old are they?
My daughter is 5 and my son is 7 years old. What do you do in your free time?
I usually read books or watch TV. What do you do in your free time, Jack?
I spend time with my children.
Where do you live?
I live in the city center. Where do you live?
I live in the suburb.